I'm sorry. Start over. Who birthday is it? So tell grandma happy birthday. Look at me. You gotta talk up. I can't hear you.
Happy birthday to Mama. Birthday. What?
Ashton, whose birthday is it? Ashton, whose birthday is it?
Mama.
It's whose birthday?
Grandma.
So give me a really big happy birthday, Grandma. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Look at me.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Ashley, your turn.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Tell her you love Grandma. Say love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma. I love you, Grandma.